Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Herwig and today I give you an overview on the steps which you can take to make a plastic part failure analysis with the aim to find out how and why a certain plastic part broke. So the first step is you obtain the broken plastic part and you get the information. You get information when it happened, where it happened, the conditions, processing history. So as many informations that you can get, you gather, because that we need then in the later phase. Okay. After that, we start the macroscopic investigation. So we check, okay, where is the location of breakage, what is involved, do we have still the when it's split in two parts, do we have all the broken parts of, and we need to preserve them, because then in the next step we go into the microscopic investigation, and there we can use stereo microscopy or a scanning electron microscopy to really determine where exactly the crack initiation was, and go really into the details of fracture mechanics. Then when we have done that, we can start with the material analysis. So we want to know, okay, what is this for material? Is it really the material which is written on the data sheet, what was used for processing? Are there contaminations? What was happening there? We have different methods. We can use DSC. We can use different other thermal methods. We can use Fourier transformation, infrared spectroscopy, FTIR. We can look, so DSC already mentions differential scanning calorimetry, DMA, dynamic mechanical analysis. So there are lots of tools we can use to determine the composition, the molecular structure, and also the physical properties of the material. So we can, and in the best case is when you get the original pellets and the piece of the broken part, and then we can nicely compare this. Okay, then after we have done material analysis, we can start with the determination of the failure mode and the cause. We can make a root cause analysis, and as a result, we can focus on the determination of the contributing factors for failure. So there are certain things like temperature or mechanical stress which are predominantly then contributing to the failure of the part that we need to determine. And then what we can do is we can simulate the failure, either in the virtual domain or with a simple experiment to really say, okay, we have some clue on how and why it broke. Now we want to simulate to be sure that it is really this cause. And additionally, we can, and then this allows us also to make a design review and recommend changes to prevent the plastic part failure in the future. And then we can implement these corrective actions and make a final analysis report to which include all these steps, all the investigations, all the results. So this is just one of the protocols. There are several different protocols you can choose, but this is a generic one in case you want to have a look. On the other hand, I can also support you in these steps, make a plastic part failure analysis for you. I will leave a link in the description below, a form you can fill out and get in touch to discuss your project. Okay, that was it for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.